Hey guys, what's happening? Bruno here from Bruno's Classic Car Garage. Just doing another little clip on the fender here, what happened since yesterday. So yeah, I did weld this in. This was like a year ago or something like that, so I kind of forgot. I just kind of welded a piece and roughly banged it into shape, and I primed it. So I've been doing a lot of dollying here since yesterday, so I got it pretty nice here now. It's pretty smooth, pretty flat. There's still a few little, some hammer marks and stuff like that, but overall it's nice and straight, so I don't need a lot of filler on here. And yeah, it's actually turned out really good. There's no oil canning or anything like that. So I'm just I got this prepped with, I just kind of sanded everything off with 40 grit just in case there was some primer that didn't stick somewhere or whatever. So I'm just going to put a little skim of fiberglass on here and sand that down, and then I'll put a skim of mud on the whole fender there all the way down to the other end and block it off, and that'll be it for this face here. And then I still got the, over here to do on the top of the fender a little bit. Hey guys, I'm back here doing some more mud. Oh yeah. I got my glass on here. I don't know if you guys can see anything here. Probably not the best. Let's have a look-see. Pretty shitty video. I gotta get a different tripod so I can angle my phone a little better. It doesn't pivot forward for some reason. Anyways, I put a thin layer of glass on here. I just sanded it down a bit, and I'm just going to put a skim of some mud here. Skim it up. See, metal putty knife. Isn't that exciting? I always like to put glass usually on anything that I've welded. I don't know if it's a mental thing or, it is better for, definitely stronger, better for rust. A guy could just do body work with fiberglass, but it's a little hard to sand. As you can see.